Are you getting the Lzma Library DLL error after the 7-zip Lzma update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Before we dive into the Lzma library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Lzma library, the Lempel-Ziv-Markov chain algorithm library. It manages high-ratio localized data compression and decompression. It is an unmanaged dependency for installers and game engines to unpack compressed localized asset archives into system memory. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Reinstalling 7-zip/Lzma is usually the quickest solution. Go to Microsoft's site, grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and install them to replace the missing file. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Lzma library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Lzma Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes Lzma library-related documentation. If this fix repaired Lzma library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.